Hello everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to see how to make restaurant style paneer salt and pepper, which will taste amazing. So let's get started with this quick, easy and delicious paneer recipe. And here I have taken 200 grams of paneer or cottage cheese, which has been cut into medium portions like this. And now I will season them with some salt as per taste. Around 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, as we want the flavor of black pepper to be predominant in this recipe. Next goes 3 tablespoons of corn flour. And now very gently we need to coat the seasoning and corn flour well over the paneer cubes so that they don't crumble. Alright, coating is done and now we need to fry them. For that, heat some oil in a pan. If you want, you can deep fry them also. And when the oil is hot, we will place one by one the coated paneer cubes into the hot oil. We'll keep the flame on medium. And once the paneer cubes turn golden brown from one side, we will flip them one by one so that they are fried, crisp and golden brown from all the sides. And by now the paneer cubes are fried golden brown from all the sides. They are crisp from outside, so I will take them off and keep them aside in a plate. Next we will heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan, and when the oil is hot, we will add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of minced ginger. And on medium flame, we will saute them well until they turn aromatic. Next, we will add the white part of spring onions. Stir them well for a few seconds. And now into this we will add some onion chunks as well as red and green bell peppers. And now on medium to high flame we will stir fry them for a few seconds so that they retain their color and crunch. And now time to add our crispy fried paneer cubes into the pan. Now we'll quickly season this with around 1/4 teaspoon of salt or as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper since we are making paneer salt and pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of soya sauce. We will give this a good mix. Well, as you can see, this recipe is quite simple yet delicious, as we don't need much seasonings or condiments and can be prepared quickly when you have some guests coming at home. Alright, and before turning off the flame, I will garnish with some green spring onions. That's it. Our paneer salt and pepper is now ready to be served hot. And here goes our quick and delicious paneer salt and pepper, which can be enjoyed either as a starter or as a side dish. So do try this interesting paneer recipe. Also share your feedbacks, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.